Now that you have the isometric circle drawn, turn on the layer that shows the center of the circle. And now I'm going to copy the circle to where I need it. So I'm going to copy, select the center points and all of the circle. Press enter. I'm going to choose the center. I'm going to move it to there. Then I'm going to copy the circle again and move it down to the bottom. Then I'm going to draw two circles, a line connecting the two circles. I'm going to turn off my midlines, trim what I don't need. And then erase the other parts that I don't need. So there I have an isometric cylinder drawn.